Can you please just give me a second? Hey guys, what's up? My name is Denis and welcome to my channel. I'm pretty sure that you've heard of a company called OnePlus, but in case if you didn't, OnePlus is the company that makes the best phones for its price and even more. Here I have the latest model, and that's the OnePlus 5T in lava red color. Let's open it up and check what's in the box. So, as you can see, this is OnePlus 5T in lava red color. Let me set it up and I will come back. This particular model with lava red color, it have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. But there is also another color, Midnight Black, which offers 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, including the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. No matter what size of the storage and RAM you take, OnePlus 5T includes Snapdragon 835 processor, dual cameras, fingerprint on the back and facial recognition on the front. Let's move to the cameras. First camera have 16 megapixels and the second camera have 20 megapixels, which is supposed to be better in low light. Wow, that's amazing. Now let's find out how good is selfie camera. It's great. After the cameras, we should move on the fingerprint. Fingerprint is amazingly fast. Now let's find out how fast it is. Really fast. But even faster is the facial recognition. Check this out. Within setup, you're asked to record your face to unlock the device. All you need to do is to look in the front-facing camera and the phone will do the rest. Did you see that? Check this out. Oh my god, this is really fast! And what about display? It's Full HD AMOLED display with 401 ppi. And as bonus, we have pre-installed screen protector, so we don't have to worry about any scratches. Thank you for that, OnePlus. I remember when every phone had jack input and everyone wanted to use wireless headphones. But nowadays almost every phone removed this very same jack, and everyone miss it. But guess what? OnePlus 5T still have it, and you can see it right here. And since we talk about the sound, let's check how good the speaker is. Okay, I think it's loud enough. Yeah, I like the sound. Only thing that I don't like with this sound is maybe there are too many highs and not that much lows. But all in all, it's great. One of the most considering specifications that we need to know when we're buying the phone, it's battery. OnePlus 5T includes 3300 mAh battery. Battery on this phone is perfect. Check it by yourself. Now that we know how good the battery is on the OnePlus 5T devices, we need to mention some other things. OnePlus 5T don't come with wireless charging, but that's not the problem, because we have dash charging. Dash charging is really fast charging. I think from 0 to 100% it takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes, something like that. But I can claim for sure that from 0 to 60% it takes only 30 minutes. So why do we need wireless charging? I never used it even on the older phones. The next thing that the OnePlus devices don't have is the IP certification, but actually I don't have problem with that. Why? I never go to shower with phone, I never wash my hand with phone, so why actually do we need the IP certification? It is a bonus, same as wireless charging, but we don't need it, and that's where we come to its price. This particular model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage comes with the price tag of the $560 or 560 euros in Europe. But there is also another model with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage that comes with the price of 500 euros or 500 US dollars. I've been asked on the Twitter if I can show this red case on the red phone. Now let's see how it looks like. Here it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please press the like button below and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. See ya next time. Bye!